Hello everyone, I'm Ava Reynolds, and this is Global Sports Pulse. If you love real match analysis, smart insights, and the biggest moments in sports, make sure you like the video and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. What if I told you that IPL 2026 might be the most unpredictable season in years? The schedule is out, rivalries are back, and some matches could literally decide the fate of the entire tournament. But there's one clash in this schedule that experts believe could change the playoff race completely, and most fans haven't even noticed it yet. So in this video, we are breaking down the IPL 2026 match schedule, opening week, biggest rivalries, and key matches you absolutely cannot miss. And trust me, the final weeks of this season are going to be intense. The IPL 2026 season is officially starting on 28th March. And just like previous seasons, 10 teams will battle it out in a double round-robin format before the playoffs begin. That means a long, exciting league stage packed with drama, close finishes, and unexpected upsets. The final match is scheduled for 31st May, and interestingly, it will be played at the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bengaluru, which is already creating huge excitement among fans. But before we even reach the final, the opening week itself looks explosive. The tournament begins with a high-energy clash. Royal Challengers Bengaluru vs Sunrisers Hyderabad, 28th March, Bengaluru, 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. RCB will start the season as defending champions, and opening the tournament at their home ground could give them an early advantage. But SRH is not a team that backs down easily, and opening matches in IPL history often set the tone for the entire season. One strong performance here could build momentum immediately. Now let's quickly go through the opening week matches because this part of the schedule is actually very important. 29th March, Mumbai Indians vs Kolkata Knight Riders in Mumbai, two powerhouse teams. When MI and KKR collide, it usually means explosive batting and high-pressure bowling moments. 30th March, Rajasthan Royals vs Chennai Super Kings in Guwahati. This one is interesting because CSK always performs well in tactical matches, while RR often surprises everyone early in the season. 31st March, Punjab Kings vs Gujarat Titans in New Chandigarh. Both teams will be looking to start strong because early wins matter a lot in a long tournament like IPL. 1st April, Lucknow Super Giants vs Delhi Capitals in Lucknow. 2nd April, Kolkata Knight Riders vs Sunrisers Hyderabad in Kolkata. 3rd April, Chennai Super Kings vs Punjab Kings in Chennai. So as you can see, the very first week already includes several teams that could be strong playoff contenders. And this is exactly why analysts believe the points table might start shifting very early this season. Now let's talk about the matches fans around the world are waiting for. First, the biggest rivalry in IPL history, Mumbai Indians vs Chennai Super Kings. The first clash happens on 23rd April in Mumbai, and the second one on 2nd May in Chennai. Whenever these two teams meet, it feels less like a league match and more like a final. Then comes another massive clash, Mumbai Indians vs Royal Challengers Bengaluru. They face each other on 12th April in Mumbai, and again on 10th May in Raipur. Two of the most followed teams in the IPL. Millions of fans will be watching this one. And finally, a rivalry that has become intense over the last few seasons, RCB vs Kolkata Knight Riders. That match is scheduled for 13th May in Raipur, and it could actually play a big role in the playoff race. This season is also unique because matches will be played across 13 different venues. Some teams are using secondary home grounds. Royal Challengers Bengaluru will play some matches in Raipur along with Bengaluru. Punjab Kings will split their games between New Chandigarh and Dharamshala. Rajasthan Royals will play in Guwahati and Jaipur. And Delhi Capitals will divide their matches between Delhi and Vizag. This could actually impact team performances because not every team adapts quickly to different pitch conditions. And in a tight tournament like IPL, even small advantages matter. The league stage will run for almost 2 months, and the last group stage match will be played on 24th May. That match will be Kolkata Knight Riders vs Delhi Capitals. Now here's the interesting part. In many IPL seasons, the final few league matches decide which teams qualify for the playoffs. So it's very possible that this match could become one of the most important games of the season. Everything could be on the line. Many analysts are saying this season could be more competitive than usual. Why? Because several teams have balanced squads this time, and there are fewer obvious favorites. That means we might see more close finishes, more last-over thrillers, and maybe even some unexpected teams reaching the playoffs. And if the early matches go the way experts are predicting, the points table might stay tight until the very end. But here's the question everyone is asking right now. Which match in this entire schedule will actually decide the playoff race? Is it the MI vs CSK clash? The RCB vs KKR battle? Or could it be a completely unexpected match late in the league stage? Because if history has taught us anything about IPL, it's that one single game can change everything. And in our next analysis on Global Sports Pulse, we are going to break down the teams that have the highest chances of reaching the IPL 2026 playoffs, and one dark horse team that might shock everyone. Stay tuned.